Hey everyone, it's Jess from ColDesi, and today I want to teach you how to make some really fun sublimation flip-flops using the Sawgrass SG1000 Sublimation printer. So let's show you how we did it. So the first step is to print out your image on your Sawgrass SG1000 printer. For this project, we used a few different products: sublimation flip-flops, Beaver Text Print 11x17 sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, and finishing sheets. So after you've printed your graphic using the Sawgrass SG1000, what we're going to go ahead and do is take our sublimatable flip-flops and we're going to place them on top of our printed transfer. We did leave room for a bleed here around the corners just to make sure that we have enough to cover the surface of both flip-flops. So now we're going to use heat tape and secure the transfer into place. And now that this is ready and secure onto our flip-flops, we're going to go ahead and move it to our heat press. To protect the heat press from any residue or ink from the transfer, we placed a finishing sheet on the bottom platen before adding our flip-flops. Then we flipped our sublimation flip-flops over so the transfer side is facing up. Next, we simply added another finishing sheet on top to protect the top platen of our heat press, and we sent it under. This next step, you'll want to make sure you're careful when removing the transfer in order to avoid any ghosting or burning yourself. Now the same goes for when you remove the outer frame of the flip-flops as well. Now we have a beautiful all-over print on our flip-flops, and the last thing to do is to insert the straps. These flip-flops are easy to make, and we offer them in different sizes, along with the flip-flop tool to help with the assembly of the straps. Flip-flops are just one of the many unique items that you can customize using your Sawgrass SG1000 Sublimation printer. Now, if you'd like to find any of the products we used here in this video today, visit ColmanandCompany.com. Thanks for watching.